take pictures and videos in the factory. So I am so happy that I get to show it to you guys. Okay, inshallah, I'll go from the start. It's so amazing, guys, to see like how they process the tamar, the dates. I'll show you guys. Okay, so right now this is the clean. هذا نظيف تمر كله نظيف. So after they already clean the tamar and they put it in the box for and after they put in the box they will weigh in the on the machine. It's going to pack it and mashallah tabarakallah. Yeah, so they are packing the kurma, the ajwa, I mean the tamar. This is safawi dates, guys. Mungkin can I take picture? Yeah. Okay, so this is safawi dates and ايش اسمك?
شغلها عبد الله شوي.
Okay, brother, I'm under this machine. This is a plastic. And then we seal it. After it is sealed, and straight into the box. So this is one process. 5 like starch. Okay, so now we're going to the next station where they wash the kurma. Just now while it was working, all the tamar here, they put it in here in this kawasan where it is the ones that is not being cuci yet. Masih ada banyak debu. Okay, so once the kurma or the dates go up here into the machine, this is, they called it just now the machine with the fan. So the fan will blow away all the dust and it will go through here, and here in here the water will pass through and it will wash it, and then it will come out from here into this one. Okay, so that's the brief virtual tour of the dates factory. I have a big surprise coming as well, inshallah, and we'll continue again later, inshallah. Okay.